all, welcome to Ideal News.
News headlines.
Euphoria 2K25, where talent meets opportunity in Ideal English School. Ikigai, mental health awareness seminar at Ideal College.
Ideal schools celebrate Milad-e-Sharif and Rabi 2K25 with unity, devotion and creativity. Ideal English School, Kadagasheri at District Kalolotsav 2025.
Ideal English School, Kadagasheri shines as first place runner-up in Malappuram District Skating Championship 2025. Ideal English School shines at Kids Athletic Championship.
Double delight, silver and bronze at District Taekwondo.
News in detail. Euphoria 2K25, where talent meets opportunity in Ideal English School. Ideal School buzzed with color and creativity as it successfully hosted its highly anticipated annual Arts Fest on August 27 and 28. The two-day event showcased the diverse talents of students across all grades, featuring a vibrant array of performances, exhibitions, and competitions. The principal congratulated all participants for their enthusiasm and dedication, noting the festival's role in promoting holistic education. The prestigious competition concluded with the Diamond Group claiming the overall winner's trophy. The individual honors were also highly contested. Students were selected for the prestigious titles Sarga Pratibha, Kala Tilagam, Kala Pratibha awards in each category. The event concluded on the high note, celebrating the talents and achievements of our students. With creativity and passion on full display, Euphoria 2K25 was truly an unforgettable experience. Ikigai, mental health awareness seminar at Ideal College. The Department of English at Ideal College for Advanced Studies organized Ikigai, a mental health awareness seminar that brought together students and educators from nearly 100 colleges across the district. The program highlighted the importance of prioritizing mental well-being in today's digital age. The seminar was inaugurated by Principal Mr. T.K. Koikuti with the Head of English Department, Mr. T.M. Abdul Ali, gracing the occasion. Ms. Priya K. Nair addressed the gathering, stressing the need to safeguard mental health and cultivate balance in life. The event was graced with the presence of Dr. Suvrad, Chief Psychologist and Special Educator, Social Work Consultant C.K. Ashwati, who actively participated in the discussion. Assistant Professor of English Department, Professor Srigesh, was a moderator. Founder Director Majid Ideal, Administrative Officer Abla Shankar, Executive Coordinator Ms. Hanna, HOD of Commerce Department Ms. Shahina, Program Coordinator Ms. Shyama shared their thoughts on the occasion. With the active participation of the guests and audience, the program concluded successfully, leaving a lasting impression on all present.
Ideal schools celebrate Milad-e-Sharif and Rabi 2K25 with unity, devotion and creativity. The Arabic departments of Ideal schools comprising Kadagasheri Ideal Campus and Ideal International School, Irimblem, recently hosted a series of events to commemorate Milad-e-Sharif and Rabi 2K25. The events showcased students' devotion, creativity and understanding of Islamic values through various programs. The celebrations included Rabi Fiesta, sharing of sweets and snacks, Milad cultural programs comprising songs, speeches and artistic expressions, quiz competitions, exhibitions and creative events such as Milad Quiz Arena, Milad Gallery and Milad Magazine. The events were attended by esteemed guests including Secretary Mr. K.S. Atukoya Tangal, Trust Chairman P. Kunyao Haji, CEO and Founder Director of Ideal Campus Mr. K.A. Majid, and Managing Director of Irimblem Campus Mr. Umar Punatil. The programs demonstrated the school's commitment to nurturing students' spiritual growth, creativity, and critical thinking skills. The events concluded on a successful note, marking a meaningful celebration of Milad-e-Sharif and Rabi 2K25. Ideal English School, Kadagasheri at District Kalolotsav 2025. Ideal English School, Kadagasheri proudly participated in the District Kalolotsav 2025, securing an impressive 874 points. The school emerged as the second runner-up in Category 1 with 171 points, showcasing the students' hard work and dedication in various cultural events. Now, let us take a look at the graceful performance who won the best position. Niveda Sulish, one of the talented participants, is sharing her experience from the Arts Festival venue.
I decided to share my experience performing at ISS Senior Secondary School in Melbourne. It was amazing. I was a bit nervous at the beginning, but as the music started, I melted into its rhythm. Thank you for this experience and looking forward to the next event.
Thank you, Niveda, and congratulations to all our participants for their remarkable achievements in various programs. Sports News.
Ideal English School, Kadagasheri shines as first place runner-up in Malappuram District Skating Championship 2025. The students of Ideal English School, Kadagasheri made a remarkable achievement by emerging as a first runner-up in Malappuram District Skating Championship 2025. Out of 51 participants, including contenders from the 4 to 6 category, the team showcased outstanding performances and secured a total of 83 points. They clinched 7 gold, 10 silver and 18 bronze medals, with a combined tally of 43 medals, including 12 in speed quad and 31 in speed inline events, bringing pride and glory to the school. Ideal English School shines at Kids Athletic Championship. The students of Ideal English School, Kadagasheri, excelled in the District Kids Athletic Championship held at Kozhikode Nadakavu Girls Higher Secondary School, were given a grand reception at the school. A total of 675 students from 32 schools participated in the championship organized by the Kerala State Sports Council and the District Athletic Association, out of which Ideal English School bagged the overall championship, with the boys team securing first place and the girls team winning second, enabling the school to proudly lift the overall trophy at the district meet. Now, let's take a look at the recorded highlights of the event with Azrin Mustafa, capturing the vibrant atmosphere and joy of the young champions.
Good evening, this is Azrin Mustafa reporting live from the Kerala State Open School Kids Athletics Championship at Nadakavu Government Higher Secondary School, Calicut. Now we can see the Level 3 Formula 1 is going on. The atmosphere is electric as students compete in compass throw, Formula 1, Formula Bend and hurdle relay. The audience are completely immersed in every moment. fan cheer, gasp and laugh with every twist, exchanging predictions and supporting their favorites with unburdened energy. You can feel their passion, sportsmanship and determination radiating from every student and every spectator here. This is reporter Azrin Mustafa, live from Nadakavu School, Calicut. Back to you.
Thank you, Azrin Mustafa, for bringing us those wonderful moments from the celebration. The achievement has brought immense pride to the school community, with staff and parents lauding the young athletes for their dedication, teamwork and sporting spirit.
Double delight, silver and bronze at District Taekwondo. Our students shone at the District Amateur Taekwondo Championship held at Malappuram's Indira Priyadarshini Indoor Stadium on August 10, 2025. Muhammad Rizlas won silver and Muhammad Sajil EK secured bronze. Out of 5 participants, their outstanding performances earned them selection to the State Taekwondo Championship. We congratulate them on their achievement and wish them success in the state level competition.
That's all for Ideal News Bulletin. This is Mia Raju
And me, Hisham Habib,
signing off.